Dear student, I have prepared matrix class for class 9 and that is exercise 1.3. Here we will discuss addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix and subtraction of a matrix. Under here we will discuss two laws. The first one is commutative law of two matrix and the second one is associative law of two matrix. So let's move for question number 1 and that is asking from us that which of the following matrices are comfortable for multiplication? This is question number 1 and the sign showing here is used for multiplication. I have already studied to you in previous video the rule for multiplication that two matrices will be capable for multiplication when the number of row in first column is equal to the number of column in first matrix is equal to the number of rows in second matrix. Let's apply this rule to this question and we will get answer. The first one is A and A is equal to AB. So here I have just one column and two rows. If I look over here, there I have one rows and two column. So here number of column will be equal to number of row. So I have one column, one row. A and B are capable for multiplication. The second one, I have right here two column and I have here just one row. So C and D are not capable, are not fit for multiplication. This was question number. Similarly, in question number 2, they are asking from that if matrix A is equal to -1, 0, 2 and 1 and B is equal to 3, -2. The first question is they are asking A cross B is possible. The first question is there. So if I keep my eyes on over it, this is I have two column and I have two rows. So yes, this is possible. This is possible for multiplication. The second question they are asking that B cross A possible or not. We will check. B, number of column right here is just 1 and number of rows is 2. So B product with A is not possible. And the third question they are asking from us that find out the possible product. Possible product को find out कर. So possible product is this product and find it out. And question number 3, this is so simple and so easy and maybe have a greater chances to come in coming paper. And the result of this matrix is also easy. It is related to multiple tests that are maybe PF test, ISSB test and much more. So let's move to question number 3. They are asking from us that if A is equal to 4, 1, 3, 1, B is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3, 4, C is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2 and D is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 over 2 and 2 over 3. Then the first question they are asking from is that find A cross D and the second one is find C cross D. So first of all we will find A cross B. Let's move. A cross B is equal to matrix of A 4 1 3 1 dot matrix of B 1 minus 3 and 4, giving a simple product to it. It will be multiply the number of row with the number of column and let checking the result. 1 cross 4 is 4 plus 1 cross minus 3 is a minus 3. Now 1 minus 4 is a minus 4 plus 1 dot 4 is a 4. The second row 3 dot 1 is a 3. Now 1 dot minus 3 is a plus minus 3. Okay. Now 3 dot minus 1 is a minus 3 plus 1 dot 4 is a 4. Let's checking the result. So simplify it. Plus 4 minus 3 will be equal to 1. Plus 4 minus 4 will be equal to 0. Plus 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. And minus 3 plus 4 will be equal to 1. So this is the result of A cross B. And the second one is that is C cross D. C cross D will be equal to 3, 4, 1, 2 dot 1 minus 2, 1 over 2 and 2 over 3. The question is looking a little bit complicated. Are you understanding all? Okay, perfect. It is a little bit complicated. Mean complex are different one, but we will try to solve it right now. So giving product to it. 3 multiply with 1 will be equal to 3 plus 4 multiply with 1 over minus 2. This is will be 4 multiply with 1 4 and divided by 2. It will be minus 2. Okay. 3 multiply with minus 2 will be equal to minus 6 and 4 multiply with 2 over 3 will be equal to 8 divided by 3. Okay, this was the first one. The second one is 1 multiply with 1 will be equal to 1. 2 multiply with 1 over minus 2 will be, so we will multiply 2 with 1, it will be 1 and minus is equal to minus. So plus into minus 1. Okay. The second row is taught right now. 2 okay. 2 with this 1 right now. Sorry for that. 1 multiply with 1 is 1 plus n2. 2 multiply with 1 over 2, so it will be minus 1. Okay. 1 multiply with minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 multiply with 2 over 3 will be equal to 4 over 3. So simplify it. After we will simplify it, this will be equal to 3 minus 2 mean 1. Now if I take LCM, it will be 3 multiply 3 with 6, it will be equal to minus 18 plus 8. It will be equal to minus 10 divided by 3 and this will be equal to 0. Now taking LCM of 3 over 1 over 2, that will be 3 multiply 3 with 2 will be equal to 6 minus 6 plus 4 will be is equal to minus 6 plus 4 will be equal to minus 2 divided by 3. So this is the result of that matrix. I hope you will be understanding. Dear student, this is also an important question of this exercise. Question number 4. Here we have two matrices given by the book. The first one is A and the second one is B, and they are asking from us to find the value of A cross B and check that B cross A is exist or not. So here I will keep a view over it that B cross A, and matrix B I have 2 columns, but in matrix A I have 3 rows. It is not possible. The first question is completely solved. by yourself. Now, to find the value of A cross B, let's move. 2, 1, 3, 0, -1 and 4. Product with 1, 0, 2, 1. Here we will apply the rule and law of multiplication. Multiplication is saying if the number of row, if the number of column is equal to the number of row, multiplication will be exist. So I have 2 column and here I have 2 rows. Multiplication is exist right now. Let's multiply it. Okay, multiply this row with this and this. After that, this row with this column and this column. After this with this and this. Okay, it is not that difficult. I mean you are happy. Okay, I'm also happy. So A cross 2 cross 1 will be equal to 2 plus 1 cross 2 will be equal to 2. The first row finished. Now the second one. 2 cross 0 will be equal to 0. 1 cross 1 will be equal to 1. Okay. Now the second one. 3 cross 1 will be equal to 3. 0 cross 2 will be equal to 0. And the second column is stored right here. 3 cross 0 will be equal to 0. 0 cross 1 will be equal to 0. The third row start. -1 cross 1 will be equal to -1 plus 4 cross 2 will be equal to 8. And -1 cross 0 will be equal to 0 plus 4 cross 1 will be equal to 4. Let's simplify it. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. -1 plus 8 will be equal to 7. And 0 plus 4 will be equal to 0. So this is the required answer of A cross B. Along with that, my dear student, the question number 5 of matrix class 9 exercise 1.3 on the topic of matrices. Asking from us that there are two matrices A and B. The A is 1 1 0 0 and the B is 0 1 0 0. So they are asking from us to show a relation that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So let's check it. Okay, matrix A cross matrix B will be equal to 1 1 0 0. On other hand, matrix B will be 0 1 0 0. Okay, let's multiply and to check the result that B cross A is equal to A cross B or not. Okay, multiply it with it. So 1 when multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0 plus 1 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Okay, 1 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 1. 1 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. First condition is applied. Now the second. 0 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. 0 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Now 0 multiplied with equal to 0 with 1 equal to 0 plus 0 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. Let's checking the result of A cross B. That's 0 1 0 0. Okay. On other hand, B cross A. We will check right here that both are same or different. Okay. B cross A will be equal to 0 1 0 0. And on other hand, B 1 1 0 0. Let's give a simple multiplication to act right now. Okay. So multiply this with this.
this with this. Okay, 0 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 0 plus 1 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. After this, 0 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 0 and 1 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. 0 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 0. 0 multiplied 0 will equal to 0. After that, 0 multiplied 1 is equal to 0 plus 0 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. So, the result matrix X is 0, 0, 0, 0. So, there is a difference that the production of A cross B matrix is not is equal to the product of B cross A matrices. The question number 6 is so easy. The most simple question in this matrix classes is question number 6. And this is if A is equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. Now find out the self product of A, mean giving product to the matrix of A to the matrix of A. So I will give product like this, that matrix A will be multiplied with matrix A and will be equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now self multiplication, and that is 1, 1, 0, 0. Giving multiplication to it right now, that 1 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 1 plus 1 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Now 1 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 1 plus 1 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. The second one is 1 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Now 1 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0 plus 0 multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. The product matrix will be 1, 1, 0 and 0. This is the final product of A cross A. Right here, the question number 7 is about, I think it is a commutative law under multiplication, that AB is equal to BA. Okay, then find out A cross B is equal to B cross A or not. We will just find out. Let's move to it. The first one is A cross B will be equal to minus 2, 3, 2, minus 1 will be multiplied with 1, minus 1, 2 and 4. Let us give multiplication right now. So the multiplication will be minus 2 cross 1 will be equal to minus 2 plus 3 cross 2 will be equal to 6. Right here, minus 2 minus 1 will be equal to 2 and 3 and 4 will be equal to 12. Okay, 2 cross 1 will be equal to 2 plus minus 1 cross 2 will be equal to minus 2. After this, 2 cross minus 1 will be equal to minus 2. Minus 1 cross 4 will be equal to minus 4. Okay, let's simplify it. Minus 2 plus 6 will be equal to 4. 2 plus 12 will be equal to 14. And 2 plus minus 2 will be equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 6. This was the first question. The second one is B cross A. We will find it out right now. 1 minus 1, 2, 4 cross minus 2, 3, 2, minus 1. Let's give another simple product of A matrix B. Are you understanding or not? You are just sitting. Okay, exactly. Now, let's move to B cross A. A cross minus 2 will be equal to minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 as a product will be equal to minus 2. Okay. Now, plus 1 and 3 will be equal to 3. Minus 1 will be equal to plus 1. Okay, this is totally wrong or not? We will check right now. Now, 2 and minus 2 will be equal to minus 4. 4 product 2 will be equal to 8. Now, 2, 3 will be equal to 6. 4 minus 1 will be equal to 4. Okay. Minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4, and this is plus 4, and this is 2. So matrix A cross B is not equal to matrix B cross A.